Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Insurify for auto insurance rate quotes, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Insurify and press enter. Once the Insurify homepage loads, look for the option to start getting quotes. Click on the button that says Get Started or Compare Quotes. You will be directed to a new page asking for your zip code. Enter your zip code in the designated field and click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to provide information about your vehicle. Fill in the required details, such as the make, model, and year of your car. After entering vehicle information, click Continue. Now, you will need to provide your personal information. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Once completed, click the button to proceed. Insurify may ask about your driving history. Answer the questions honestly to ensure accurate quotes. After your driving information is submitted, click Continue. You will be taken to a page displaying various auto insurance quotes. Review the quotes carefully, noting coverage options and prices. If you find a suitable option, click on it to learn more details. You may now see an option to proceed with the insurance provider. Follow the prompts to enter any additional information required. Finally, complete the subscription process as directed by the insurance provider. Once finished, you will receive confirmation of your subscription and coverage details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.